How to log in FNB account on desktop. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your FNB account using your desktop or PC. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search bar, simply type in fnb.co.za. Once it is so, you will land onto its official website, which looks like this. Now to get logged into your account, you will see an icon that says login. First of all, you need to enter your username. Once done, enter your password. And just like so, click on to log in. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click the option that says forgot username or password and get help resetting your account. But if you don't have an FNB account, you can click on to register and get yourself an account through this page. And just like so, if your credentials are correct, you will be able to get logged into your FNB bank account in your PC. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.